So I've come to this place called. So how do you guys feel? Oh, I have to cut that, bro. It's scam when you order momos in a restaurant. Who matra chanaಗಿದೆ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ ತಿರುಗು. ಅರೆ, who's this girl? All the delicious food is coming in.
Bro, you have got a front fries cancel.
Total scam. What scam? So I've come to this place called the Darjeeling Cafe. Our main promotion is here. Dude, copyright. I copyright issues with this song. So we all are here for dinner and this place is like pretty much lit. So how do you guys feel? Express.
I feel high, bro.
You feel? Oh, I have to cut that, bro.
You shouldn't, bro.
Right gravy, you would love it. Chicken curry में क्या है? Butter chicken के अलावा?
Butter chicken or
Kerala style
Kerala
prawns fry.
prawns fry.
Don't order momos there. Don't order momos. It's scam when you order momos in a restaurant. Yeah.
Yeah, and they have this punch. Even this is so bad. Yeah, they say don't last, just drink but don't drink.
Who matra chanaಗಿದೆ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ ತಿರುಗು. ಅರೆ, who's this girl?
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah, it looks.
Yeah. In the English, I will translate for Marathi for you.
Yeah. All the delicious food is coming in.
Bro, you have got a front fries cancel.
Front
fries cancel. Only veg fries.
Oh my god, bro, look at this prawns, it's so huge. Dude, this is only 2. Scam, dude. Bhaiya, ye kya hai? 2 hi. Total scam. What scam? We ordered like the prawns will be sufficient for 4 people, okay? Look at how much of it that dude.
Wait, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4.
That is.
Oh, I said, oh, just like that. No idea. So he did one prawns means 2 piece for him. We should have asked to him. One prawns means 1 piece or 2 piece.
All the yum food though. Oh my god.
Bro, this was not.
Table, this is what we see quantity. Cool. So I'm just trying this good fresh meat of prawn. I don't know how it tastes. Let me just taste. Like a lobster. Kinda like a lobster. Crab. Oh. It actually tastes good. The fry is actually nice. Like with the masala, it's like good. Water.
What is this?
Yeah. Aluminum fry.
Just put a little.
I'll move that.
Water on it.
The food was pretty much great, but we got a little scammed with the amount of prawns that we expect and all. Obviously, you know, the places like this are very limited on the quantity. You are little. But apart from that, everything was good. And now since we are done with the dinner, we will be going back to the hostel, maybe chill for another couple of hours, and it's all up. We'll see what happens tomorrow. So until then, see you tomorrow, guys. So insane, shit. Oh my god! What a rain!